Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got an unboxing from Amazon. Got a few watches in here. I'm not sure what's in the box, but we'll be getting into that in just a second. Before I get started, though, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys again so much for helping me reach over 1,000 subscribers. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for that. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and comment. It always does help out the channel, and I do appreciate all the interaction from my subscribers. You guys are the ones that make this world go round, and I do appreciate it, each and every one of you guys. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and post links to them so that you can head on over. They are affiliate links, so if you click on them, I do receive a small commission from each and every watch, and I do appreciate it if you use those links. So without further ado, let's get into this package and show you guys what we have today. Alright, it looks like we have a G-Shock and a SEIKO. Okay, so we've got a G-Shock and a SEIKO. Which one do you guys want to see first? I think I'm curious to see this G-Shock, because G-Shock, I just got a G-Shock last video and it kind of let me down a little bit. And I gave it another chance. I returned to the other one because I didn't care for it, and I gave it another chance and got something a little bit, hopefully a little bit better. So, and let's see here. Same case as the other one came in. All the instruction booklets and all the manuals and stuff like that. Let's get this out of the way here. Alright, let's take a look at it. This looks like a warranty card again. Nicely packaged with the bag around it. And foam. Okay, I do like this one a lot better. I can tell already I like it a lot better. Let's see here. Let's get this. Now, I am a huge fan of CASIO. I like CASIO. The last video that I did with CASIO, it kind of let me down. I just wasn't happy with the watch itself, and I got a lot of comments from a lot of people telling me how great CASIO is. I know how great CASIO is. I am a big fan of CASIO watches, but the way it is, guys, if I don't like a watch, I'm going to tell you. I'm not brand loyal to the point where I'm going to forgive a brand's flaws. If I don't like a watch, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. That doesn't mean that I don't like the brand. The other thing is, I received some criticism about that last CASIO, with people telling me I didn't know what I was talking about with watches and this, that, and the other thing. Well, just to give a disclaimer here, and I always do this on these videos, most of the time anyway, I tell you, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And the purpose of this channel when I first came out with it was to show people that you didn't have to spend a ton of money to buy a watch. And I think that gets lost on some of the viewers when they click on my videos. Is this isn't a comprehensive review of watches where I'm going to go through lug-to-lug measurements and thickness measurements and all kinds of other stuff that most people don't really pay attention to or even care about. I look at watches as how good does it look on my wrist. That's my benchmark for any of these watches. Like this watch right here, this is a Casio G-Shock. This thing has a ton of features on it. A ton of features that frankly, I'm never going to use. I have a smartphone, I have a clock in my car, I can ask my Alexa to tell me what time it is any time of the day. I don't need these features. I look at it, when I look at a watch, I look at it for what is it going to do for my wrist. Okay, what's it going to make my wrist look like? How nice is it going to be when I go, how nice is it going to look when I go out? And that's what I review these. Like, I'm not going to go over all the, you know, the time zone features and the Bluetooth and the, you know, the fact that it's solar powered and, you know, all of these world time things, and click on all the buttons. And, you know, I'm just not going to do that with this watch. I'm going to show you basically what it has, and I'm going to let you know if I feel like it's worth the price that they're charging for it. Now, this watch right now is a $320 MSRP watch. Right now, you can pick this watch up for around 270 bucks on Amazon, which is where I purchased it from. So you do save a considerable amount of money by going through Amazon as opposed to buying it direct. But I'm going to say first impression on this watch, it's a lot better than the other watch. And one of the complaints that I had from the other watch was that it was very, very light. And going with the metal version gives me that weight that makes me feel a little bit better about it, because the other one felt pretty toyish. I am going to have to say, overall, by appearance, this is a great looking watch. Like, it is just, I think it looks wonderful on my wrist. This is a great looking watch. This watch is, like I said, it's got a ton of features. It is solar powered, so unfortunately I will have to charge it up before I can actually do a full display on it. But like I said, this is just an unboxing. Unfortunately, it's not going to work unless I charge it. But I can go over a few of the features that this watch has. This is the GST B400-1A watch. It does have 200 meters of water resistance. Like I said before, it is solar powered, and the solar power on this thing has a reserve of 7 months in normal use, and it has 18 months in power save mode in the darkness. 18 months it'll store that power at a full charge. This watch also has the Neo Bright Lume on it, which I don't think it hasn't even stayed in the light long enough to even show the lume on it. But it does have the mobile link with Bluetooth, so this can actually be operated from your smartphone. It is obviously a G-Shock, so it is shock resistant. It does have the mineral crystal, as opposed to an acrylic crystal. It does have the mineral crystal. It is, like I said, solar powered. It does have all the world time and the calendar, full calendar and all of that stuff. But like I said before, I look at watches for style first, and I'm going to have to say this is a win. This is a beautiful looking watch, and you do have that Casio, the Casio name behind it. This is a great looking watch. I mean, I am actually shocked at the difference between this watch and the other watch that I reviewed, the one that I returned, and purchased this one instead. I think the price point's right on for this watch. I think it's a beautiful looking watch. It's got the weight that's not too heavy but not too light to make it feel like a toy. Very, very nice silicone band. Just you can feel the quality in this thing. So this is definitely a go for me. I like it. That's definitely a great watch. So if you're looking for a Casio G-Shock, I would definitely recommend this one. So let's get into the other watch that came in on this shipment right here. This is a SEIKO. Which one is this? This is a $335 MSRP watch. Let's see here. All right, let's see here. Let's see what you get for $335 this time around for SEIKO. Which one is this? Comes with the warranty cards. And instruction manuals online. Oh yes, I remember ordering this one. Wow, nice watch, guys. As always, Seiko, they just blow my mind. This is just an amazing root beer colored watch. Wow. Like, wow. Just wow. This is an automatic. It's got the exhibition case, so you can see what's going on back there. Wow. Just nice watch. It actually shows the whole date wheel and day wheel in the back, which is really cool. So you can kind of see it turning. See that? That is so cool, guys. This is a really nice looking watch. This is the Seiko SRP J47K1. This is from the Seiko 5 Sports Series. This is, like I said, $320 MSRP, but this right now, you're not even going to believe the price on this on Amazon. It's $200. It's around $200 for you to pick this up on Amazon right now. I will post a link to this and also the G-Shock in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick these up. But that's a great deal for this watch, and guys, it feels wonderful. It feels amazing. Very nice tight bracelet. It's got the safety clasp on the trifold. Really nice watch, guys. It's got the winding crown at the 4 o'clock position. It's just like always Seiko. It's got the Seiko 4R36 movement in it, and it's just a pleasure to wind this thing. It's just wonderfully smooth. You can see that sweeping second hand. They've got it painted with that that fluorescent yellow. Very nice watch. This has the Lumibright on the, it's actually on the hands, the indexes, and on the bezel, so this whole thing lights up in the dark. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it there a little bit. So it really does grab that light. Very nice watch. It's got the Hardlex crystal on it, so extra scratch protection there. Exhibition case, like I showed you before. This thing also has a 41-hour power reserve on the winding. It is an automatic. It's 100 meters of water resistance, and it is just a great watch all around. I mean, I haven't even, like I said, I haven't just opened it up. I haven't taken it completely out of all of its packaging. But guys, it is a beautiful watch. You can feel that Seiko quality. Everything is just so nice on it, nice and smooth. Just turning the bezel is just a complete joy. It's like just a sweet movement there. Just feels great. So guys, 2 great watches here today. 2 great watches. Good prices on both of them. I will post links to both of these in the description below. And so you guys can head on over and pick them up. And like I said, they are affiliate links, so the price does not change. You guys pay what the price is. The only difference is I end up getting a small commission off of these if you do decide to purchase them through that link. So that is very much appreciated. But like I said before, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And for me, style is first. Functionality follows. But these are 2 great watches for the price. If you are new to this channel, like I said, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and comment. It always does help out the channel, and I always try to respond to all the comments that I get. So feel free to leave a comment whether you like these watches, whether you hate them. With that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you like that concept, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. You guys all have a great week.